This. Is that all? Or is there other pieces?
I think there's a couple on the bottom and there's two on the
we
side.
might have to go down. Oh, it's dirty as hell down here. Oh, I broke a piece. No. Try pulling it. Or try to wiggle it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's hella rusting on the inside though. Nobody gonna see it though. It's fine.
This is metal.
Yeah, but nobody gonna see it, you know? It's fine.
I got bullet holes in the thing. This bumper is.
What's wrong with it?
High enough.
No, that's the joke.
Can't take it anywhere.
Yeah. Can't take shit. Can't take you anywhere, man.
Well, that's how you fix rubber. I mean, is this rubber? Plastic.
It is rubber.
Rubber, yeah, rubber. Oh, it's definitely. There's no way we're getting to the hood until the end of this fucking fall.
I mean, I think we can still do the hood even in winter.
Can we though? Is that possible? What we need to do? How are we gonna attach it normally? We're gonna like. It doesn't look bad to attach it. It's pretty dry to me. I don't know about you, but that's pretty damn dry. Yeah. I would say it's pretty dry. The one that he did it poke is the one that he did poke. Maybe I should take the bigger one. That would be a good idea.
Yours, I don't know why yours got coolant set on here, but mine doesn't.
Gary had my key. Key! 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 No! No way we're fucking doing this with the fire. Go ahead, try, man. Just make sure.
Through the fact that your company might be like making it higher than that. I don't know what what it is for mine, but yeah.
This is like a new scratch, bro.
That?
Yeah.
It's fine, we're gonna finish it anyway.
It's not rough there, Nick. You don't need to do anything. Mister? Come on.
Mister?
I mean, make sure you have your liquid fill up.
Coolant? Yeah, I'm up. We should get the coolant up to there. If I go by coolant.
Before you burn out your shit like mine.
Yeah,
because there's no cooler, right? I mean, nobody checked it. So, and now we find out that, oh, fuck, it's dry.
Yeah, Mustang, huh?
Yeah.
Get the wrapping bubble that, bro.
Bro, I'm like,
Coolant just light.
No, if it's not just the coolant, it's wrong.
let's say, like,
Probably not just the coolant.
yeah, it's probably like, fuck, no, fucking tight. One of the pipes might have been like, deformed. One of the
Right, so it's not the back.
Yeah, flat channel. Lo là nó giờ thích khả năng rồi rồi.
No, I blend it in a little bit.
This is mop by right?
No, not really. We don't have anything to do today.
Okay, go. Maybe.
That was a mosquito.
Wait. Me?
Yeah.
Huh. Shit, come on, Mookie.
I was gonna, but then you
Like that it?
Yeah.
Did I get him? No.
you did hit him.
Alright.
And they're more willing to like do shit for you too, you know?
Yeah. More willing to help you out.
Yeah. That's how I make my job, my life easier, man.
Bro, my place is just a bunch of immigrants. Though.
There's a bunch of immigrants.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's another fan.
Yeah.
That's a good thing I didn't do the other way.
So that's good.
Yeah.
You have an idea. You have like you don't let him suck you, suck him. Show him why you're the sucker.
Show me your move.
Yeah. Just blend it in to the outer.
Chị muốn block nó sao?
Nhằm blow. Connect to the top. Yeah, straight down as well.
Okay.
Okay, so Smoke balls and sit down.
Yeah, guys. Look at your Mountain Dew.
That's mine. Bro, you didn't take them. That shit's probably covered in chemicals for all we know.
Drink it, bro. That'll expand your life.
A life extender right there. Shoot, dumb as fuck.
I was that guy, bro.
You were not that guy.
I was. Cause everyone wants too much of a pussy to do. And I did it. And I became that guy. And I always use acetone to get rid of the Sharpie.
Alright guys, I outlined it.
You alright, bro?
And catch.
I'm thinking, oh.
Don't break it, guys. Uh-oh. Playing gotcha.
Yeah, and that's what, yeah. Can't do.
I'm not drunk that many times. Gonna be itchy as fuck later. Okay, I got everything on the top here off. Now we just gotta do the bottom. It's like this part right here.
There we go.
There we go.
It's off. Woohoo! Easy.
For real.
Oh my god.
Your finger got stuck. Get,
Get that finger in there, Gary.
bro, trying to clean that crack.
That ass crack. Down, dude. I'm trying to get in there, bro.
Let me help y'all out. Do I do this too?
God damn.
God damn.
This shit crunchy.
Oh.
Oh!
Put that elbow grease in. I got it out already.
Oh, you're right there?
Yeah, no worries.
Oh, it didn't go deep then. The other day my shit went hella deep.
Bro?
Yeah.
She went all the way in, huh? The bitch didn't want to come out. Hold on, I got you.
That was dangerous.
Yep. I'm not trying to lose a finger, bro. How many do? Yeah, that's so close. Hold on. I told you, bro. You got it. Damn. Oh! Terry. You good? Where did it hit you? Kino.
Put it like this. And then we'll just drill hole. Okay, so I don't know, should we just do one here?
I think one is enough.
One here.
One there, one here, yeah.
Right?
Yeah,
One
that's,
here.
yeah, that's fine.
Alright. Does it look right or no? Cool.
Yeah. Yeah. Seems good to me.
You can
Oh,
draw.
hydro?
Okay, I'll just draw myself. Okay, it don't need to go through.
Oh,
Just cut through the fiberglass, huh?
okay.
And then we'll use the screw to go in. So you can draw it. Can you draw it or no? Here, press it down.
Okay.
Do a little bit on it. Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah.
It's like a splinter, man.
Yeah. I'm sweaty.
Bro, it's tight.
My face is sweaty. You guys are screwing it in?
Yeah. Oh, we're just doing it for now, so we can do the body work for it.
Oh yeah?
Then we'll have to take it off again.
That's dope. There's a prototype and it looking like this. Look good.
So,
Y'all, right now? Look at that.
Yeah.
More plastic,
Yeah,
whatever
rubber,
it is.
plastic, both. This thing.
Well, double layer.
It's the same shit.
Itchy as fuck. He sold his Evo. We could have bought it.
We could've, but what's the point of that?
Just become one of our cars.
But I have an Evo, a fake Evo and a real Evo. Whoa, that looks good.
Let's see. Chill was dead asleep, huh?
Yeah. She was like, what the fuck, bro? What do you want from me?
Don't put it. Just like that, yeah.
There you go. Ooh. And look, me.